In the virtual machine, we saw how to create a VM and how to power it on. Okay, you can pause the VM also, for example, but it's not recommended. If you want to stop something activity, you are going in the middle of the activity, you can pause the VM so that it will stop there and you can shut down it later. Shut down the laptop. Then you can use and come back and resume. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? From there you can start. And you have plenty of options. I see this was the one of the VM. I can resume it. So it will power it on the OS. If you want to log in, yeah, you can try to log in. Okay, let me complete the log. See the OSD one is there here. So once you have some issues or something, you can power it off first. Power off or shut down. Mostly use shutdown option. Okay, shut down it. Where it is saved, you can see it. It is saved under C SCCM Lab OSD1. You can, if you click your cursor here, you will get know what is the location it is. D SCCM Lab OSD1 OSD1. So if I go to the D drive SCCM Lab OSD1, this is my folder where I contain this. Once you do not want this VM, you can delete from here and create a new folder and new things again. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? Or you can right click on the VM. If you don't want a VM, you have something you're not doing well, like that VM is not working as expected. It is getting some issues. You right click on the VM, go to manage, delete from the disk. If you delete from the disk, the folder, it will go away. Right click on the VM, go to the manage, delete from the disk. Yes. So you will see the folder is deleted here. See, am I right or wrong? You can start, stop the VMs, whatever you want. Clear? Power on, power off, edit virtual machine, increase the RAM, decrease the RAM. If you want only 2 GB or 1 GB for servers, you can make it up and down and change the configuration when it's in power off state. When it's on, you can only increase, you cannot decrease. When it's off, you can edit and do lot of changes and modifications. Try to explore each and every options. Am I clear? Power on the VM, power off the VM. If you want to restart the guest, you have an option here. Go to VM. Here's control alt delete is there. If you go to the power, restart guest is there. You want reboot, you can reboot. You can reboot the machine from here itself. The shortcut is there. Control alt delete screenshot is given here. Control alt delete. If you see here, it's locked, right? If you want to get control alt delete, you can press this option, control alt delete. So it is asking username. You can log in. You want to restart, restart guest. If you want shut down, shut down. Once your activity is completed, you want to shut down it, you can shut down it. In this way, you can shut down, power on, create new virtual machine, things, explore it. If you want to full screen, control alt enter. Control alt enter will give you full screen. If you want to come out of the screen, then you need to, if you are inside the screen, you cannot control. Then you need to press control alt to come out of the screen. Control alt to come out of the screen. Then you can manage the physical desktop. Clear what I'm saying to you? Is it clear about the basics? Any doubts in managing the VMs? Any doubts you have? Yes, no? Because there is some little bit options are different because I am working from a desktop which is old model, so you will not get like F12 that enter error screenshot. But whenever you're working with that new laptops which is containing new RAM, whenever you create a VM, whenever you power on, it won't work. It will ask you to select the boot CD-ROM. You need to press enter. If somebody is logged into the laptop, please share the screen. So we'll create one VM initially. What is that? We will test and we'll record here so that I will upload this recording to our existing VMware basics so that if anyone having some issues, no, they can simply refer to this video in the new laptop how they can create a VM and paste it. So who completed it, the VM? Then let's share the screen. I will stop this recording and I'll start new recording for the particular only the VMs from the new laptop. What are the challenges we face? How to fix it? Where we can see it? Let